Well, a beautiful Cosmic Grey EP3 in the house for Honda Vert map from our Richard. Richard's set up, ready for a standard power run, see what she's making now, and then we'll get ready to stick an ECU in and start tuning. Won't we, Rich?
Maybe.
Okay, here we go. The initial power run's done and it's made 214 brake horsepower, which is a great start. It's quite a fresh looking rocker cover, I like it, colour coordinated. Now Richard's fitted the Honda Vert ECU, so it's now time to data log. We're going to first flash our starting point on there, which is our what we call our base file, and then at that point it's all about tuning and seeing what we could get out of this lovely little Civic. I do like Cosmic Grey, gives me a chill. Well done, Richard. That has finished with a massive gain in the mid-range there. Let's bring up the screen and have a look. So as you can see, and as per usual, red line is as she came in, blue line as she leaves, and I've just had a look at that. That's a 50 brake horsepower increase at 5,800 RPM. That's a whopper. And she finishes today on 230 brake, which is very, very close to 200 at the wheels. Fantastic. What a car. Minimal mods, bit of Richard time, and it's done really, really well. Yeah, another one in the bag. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And if you want your EP3 mapping, give us a shout. And that man there will sort you out. And we'll see him on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Sort them out by showing them, man.
And we'll see him on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
Good lad.
say it again. Life moves pretty fast.